Condere, a leading TV manufacturer in South Africa, operates an advanced SMT semiconductor production line where stable power is critical. Frequent outages disrupt production and risk damaging sensitive equipment like motors, control units, and circuit boards, leading to costly repairs, delays, and operational setbacks. In semiconductor manufacturing, power stability is even more crucial, as outages compromise air circulation in clean rooms, increasing contamination risks and making restoration complex and expensive. To overcome these challenges, Condere invested in SAJ's CHS2 smart energy storage system, ensuring seamless on-grid or off-grid switching and meeting the power needs of high-energy equipment like the soldering furnace. With up to 200% PV oversizing, SAJ's CHS2 system delivers reliable power even during peak hours, reducing electricity costs while driving Condere's transition to green production.
SAJ has helped Condere to reduce carbon emissions by switching to solar energies instead of fuels. This aligns with our company's commitment to the Go Green of the future. Using the solar panels, it's more efficient. So even when there's load shedding, we're still able to run the production because our machines are working very well.
This forward-thinking move not only secures a stable, efficient production environment for Condere, but also reinforces its leadership in sustainable manufacturing and clean energy adoption.